Got it? And then,
Wow.
it's stuck in there. It's sideways.
Let me see. Wait, switch the board around real quick. Here, now let me see. Wait, open your mouth. Ew, yeah. Hold on. Put the water up, babe. We're gonna drop.
I can't get it because it's sideways.
You can get it. Yank it forward.
I stuck.
It's not stuck, babe. It's fine. Want me to do it? Go forward.
Okay, I can't.
Here, I'll show you.
Uh-uh.
Come on.
I got it.
Go the other way, sideways. You can do it. Do it. Do it. Ew, that's gross. You better get that out of there. If you don't get it, I'm gonna get it. You can't go to sleep like that. I'll choke on it.
I want to go dinner.
Gross.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3.
Cut it out.
You got it? Let me see. Oh my goodness, let me see. Let me see the third hole. Oh my goodness.